Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about Tribedoce, a supplement that contains hydroxocobalamin, thiamine, pyridoxine, and cyanocobalamin. And do you know what it's for? Let's find out together. Tribedoce is designed for when our body lacks vitamin B1, B6, and B12. It is used to treat problems like diabetic neuropathy, constant fatigue, and pernicious anemia. It can also be prescribed to help our brain and nerves function better. And how does it work its magic? Well, hydroxocobalamin and cyanocobalamin are types of vitamin B12 that help create red blood cells and keep our nervous system in good shape. Thiamine, B1, and pyridoxine, B6, are super important for transforming carbohydrates and proteins into energy. To take Tribedoce safely, the most important thing is to follow the doctor's instruction. It is usually started with 1 pill a day, but the dose may change depending on each case. Watch out, do not exceed the recommended dose. Like any medication, Tribedoce can have some side effects. Sometimes it can cause dizziness, headache, or an upset stomach. If anything strange happens to you while taking it, talk to your doctor right away. And remember, do not take Tribedoce if you are allergic to any of its ingredients. In short, Tribedoce is a very useful supplement to recover B vitamins and improve the health of our nerves and brain. Remember to always follow the doctor's instructions and ask any questions you may have. Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.